Onuya, thank you very much for joining Agric Today TV on My Health Today. Sani am catch on no pebia no e masade say mamu wo hu enema o se wudi na no pebiara. And I say even your daily life enema o se wudi dia say koso e wo pomodin. It's very, very important. And I keep reading and doing research on how we should live healthy life. This morning, I've come to you again, the most important aspects of our health style that we should do. Ayem mwa na eneno ena mahu say ya nsheda amfa yedwani die serious a emboyen na anhwe nche ibi even you krampo dada na niema ebebuan ama yetimi atena ase ache no. I say because of a nano busy schedule, ne juma semunti ne niema bintino yan so enye na emu no ye sorry ya na ne yefa bibia ne yedi nnuane bi akoye mu entina ma ye namo a yakoye bibia ye mpenifo bekase ye tiase ewu ene ede nam. Indeed yakopon so wabo bibia titulu ne ehaba mani nnuane ne ade amayo se ni de ni duaba ne fa aba ne de ensa yare yasan ni edi adua enne pese me kan bibi efa anopaduane a yedie mu. It's like I was shocked when I found out this, and I know that you too will be shocked when you hear this. And it said, say you're sorry anopa na you're sorry ya na yanum tea and na coffee no. It's very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous to our health. Men can say breakfast breakfast ne mum no sorry anopa bi aseni am chiro na o se wutimi num, and so that is the warm water. Na say you're sorry anopa na say you say oh anopa bi no, like my brushing my teeth, I need to take my breakfast. That is either my tea or my Lipton or my coffee. Is very, very dangerous. And I beseech all of us and be desist everyone. See Jaya nke bebuaye. Mepamacho. Unim so wuda anajo. And I say adiesa ne se wudi dia. One say wuda no wada no. When you are asleep, your metabolism no slows down. Senia e wosenka wa pomudin anase e wosenka wo body no esi eye adwuma fa no e slow down anything enuane na wudi na nwumre no intimi digest ye. So there are some particles and there are some toxins in your system. At times also be sorry and I say nyina ya oya. Obo sorry go say like why you do why you check those things because the food we ate at night and in the evening could not digest properly, and your system no are bloated. Toxins your system, particles away mu, and to me like saying also body needs to me a functioning fan into me functioning for the following morning. Into no panel and some fabia moon come home. Debbie. Yes, and then you are like the particles that is in the body no are kept in the body into me pienko. Toxins ne wo mu no da so wo mu into me pienko into no the be the air count yes and ma digestion slows in the system. Into the mesrum say anopabiara no I will say you take it in warm water first. As I see a prepare home near the yoko kofa breakfast near D, Neseni, wedding in table pentamako juma. This small or petty things and we cannot do it, but we just wake up, we brush our teeth, we take our bath, we take our coffee or our Milo or our tea, and then we are off to work. Like Ayesana and my fatigue, anxiety, those things, come into the body. And stress. We need to free ourselves. This is very, very important. And I may need to Say me no be chesa ade we anopa. Say me srem say anopa biara no. I will say you taking warm water and add it up to it. So you have to free your bowels, make the body ready, to work that morning. And to make the body ready and responsive, you need to let the toxins in you, go away. Let the small particles, let them free, let them go out before you bring in another food substances. And to know when you are there, this morning, and then practice this each morning. Don't let it be one time then. No, each morning. Let it be each morning. And then the warm water that we take should be 1.5 glass. 1 glass and then a half. And the one will help you. Or no bit me any early morning now, sorry, and I'll do warm water, and even before you brush your teeth, or brush your teeth early morning, and then you take in the warm water. Then before you start to do your things, your daily thing, either you sweep, either you iron, either you bath, either whatever you do, take in that warm water for a period of time before you take in your breakfast. And if you take in that warm water, like your body will start to respond to food. If these particles go away, either visit the washroom, and when you visit the washroom, after some few minutes, you'll see your body will be responsive, like it will be like and you start feeling hungry. That is it. It means like you are taking out the residues, and then your body is calling for refreshment and as a better things in the system. So this is what I'll leave you with, and I urge us all to take our health serious. This is Agric Today TV on YouTube, and I urge you to subscribe to Agric Today TV on YouTube as we bring you these episodes every morning on how you will live healthy. And then follow us on Facebook, Agric Today, on Instagram, Agric Today, and then on X, Agric Day, and then on TikTok, Agric Today. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day.